Hi everyone, my name's Collette. Welcome to Mix Shop Review, where I take an item from the Mix Shop and I tell you what I think about it. Now today, we're not taking just one item, we're actually looking at a range, and that is our Rose Gold Bakeware. There is a huge variety of trays and baking tins that you can get in this range. They're made out of heavy duty carbon steel, so they're really solid, and that ensures you've got really good heat distribution. They're actually covered in our signature rose gold non-toxic surface, which I think looks pretty cool. Now, I love the fact that it's not just the standard cupcake tins that you have. You get the exotics, such as the beautiful cannelé tins. I love making these. Another one of my favorites is actually the little round springform tin that comes in 4. I'm at home with my husband, but I still love to bake and I still love cake. So let's just take, for example, I just whipped up this beautiful little carrot cake today in my Thermomix. All fully guided, super easy, so even if you can't cook, it's going to be a success. And what I love is that we can enjoy this today, and the other 3 little cakes are in the freezer ready for another day. We have things like Madeleine tins. I love the French Madeleine, one of my most beautiful and most cherished little cakes to have with a cup of tea. But heading on to other things, we've got your standard trays, and this is something I always recommend to my Thermomix customers, that go for the trays as your first introduction to this fabulous range. Now they come in a number of different sizes, but what I love is that these trays actually have a little wire rack, great for cooling, but also great if you're doing a chicken breast or something like that, to have all those juices drip into the tray so you can add them to a decadent sauce afterwards. As well as the little wire trays, you can also get the liners, and this just helps to save on the mess and also saves on paper, and they are wonderful, and I use these for many reasons and many features. They are great for the freezer. You can pop them into an oven up to 230 degrees. So the little baby one fits perfectly in the Varoma, which is great. Teriyaki fish sitting on the wire rack, teriyaki sauce on side, dripping underneath, so you're not wasting that yumminess. So many opportunities, so many items in the range, and I love that they also have this wonderful wire storage rack. Let me just show you. So you can actually stand your trays up, so they're really easy to access, and it keeps your cupboards nice and tidy. And just heading back to the liners, I do use them, you know, if I'm making donuts or macarons or all sorts of different things. Each one of the actual liners has got a different shape, so it's helping us to actually, you know, cook things to the right size. So there you go. That is the wonderful rose gold baking tray. Just so many things in the range. Have a look, head over to the Mix Shop. You're going to be tempted because there's so many wonderful things. Then check on Cookie Doo to see what you might cook in this beautiful bundt tin, for example, and then decide what will be your first purchase. Or for many of my customers, I know you'll be thinking, what is my next purchase? So there you go. That is the wonderful bakeware, the Rose Gold Bakeware from the Mix Shop. I love it, and I know my customers love it. Why don't you try one and see what you think? My name's Collette. Thanks for joining me today. I will speak to you again soon with another Mix Shop review. Bye for now.